In this video, we are going to learn all PLL important algorithms fast, easy, with real tips to improve your speed. If you want to solve a Rubik's Cube like a pro, you're in the right place. So make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around till the end. You don't wanna miss it. The first mode is not set corner. In this mode, there are no paired colors, and you can take a Rubik's Cube from any side you like and run this formula. F R U prime R prime U prime R U R prime F prime R U R prime U prime R prime F R F prime. H mode. Only one side of the Rubik's Cube has paired corners, so we place it on the left side and run this formula. R U R prime U prime R prime F R2 U prime R prime U prime R U R prime F prime. Edge movement number 1. In this mode, the corners are paired and the edge must be moved. We put the first color mode that is complete behind and run the formula. R U prime R U R U R U prime R prime U prime and R2. The next state is exactly the same as the previous state, but with the difference that the edge is placed in its place from the right side, and the opposite is now previous one, and then we put the color that has been dissolved behind and run the formula. R2 U R U R prime U prime R prime U prime R prime U and R prime. In the third case, the four sides of the Rubik's Cube must be solved and the edge moved 2 by 2. That at this stage, for those who don't know, a moved called M has been added and this part of the Rubik's Cube moves downwards, and run the formula. M2 U prime M2 U2 M2 U prime and M2. The final step is that edge exactly the same as before, except that the edges that are next to each other need to be moved. And be sure to run the formula in this mode. M prime U prime M2 U prime M2 U prime M prime U2 and M2. Hope this helped you learn the PLLs. If it did, give it a like and subscribe for more Rubik's Cube content. Let me know in the comments which case was hardest for you. Thanks for watching, keep cubing, and see you in the next one video.
And I don't really know what comes next.